Got the 3.0 out today again. I wanted to run it with the body on it. Man, this truck with the 21 is just great. It needs a wheelie bar so bad. This fucking sends it. It doesn't even need speed, it just needs to roll up to the jump, and you give it a little bit of throttle and it sends it. Oh, just like that. Whoa. 12 o'clock. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, stop doing that. Oh, that poor head. That's what happens when you put 21 in this. It would be a blast to take this into it would be a major blast. And it turns on a dime. Need the weed whack there. Still a little lean on the bottom end. But it goes back down. Alright, let's put her back. Fun stuff. This is the major thing I wanted to get from my brother's house was this Mini 3.0. Because he did such a good job making it, and it just works so good. Like, he had to custom do all the linkages, he had to drill new engine mounting holes, he had to cut the body to fit the exhaust. He had to do a bunch of different shit to get this thing going good. So yeah, I can't even think of all the other stuff my brother had to do to this to get this engine in here. But he did a good job. I did what I had to do to get it running again. And now it's gonna live out its life here. And we're gonna have a good time with it. It's a good truck. And thankfully I have some extra parts to keep it going, you know? But man, did we finish that run in the perfect time. It's starting to get dark and cloudy. It's gonna start raining shortly. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you around.